If you want to use text-to-speech on the OnePlus Nord CE5, first of all you will have to go to the settings. Next you will have to scroll down and navigate for accessibility, and right now just go for accessibility settings. Next move for vision, and over here go to the select to speak. Now to turn it on you will have to click on this switcher, then click allow, click OK, then go back, and before you start using this one, go to the text to speech settings. So here you can change the speech rate, pitch of the voice, but also we can change the language and preferred engine. Now if I'm gonna try to read something, I have to click on this button, and now I have to click and hold, and then drag and select anything that I want to read aloud. As you can see, it will be highlighted with the frame, but also we can hear this. If you want to finish, so you can just click here, and that's basically all.